Here's an example of what you can expect to be included in your $20 craft along kit. One of our limited print edition thank you cards with a handwritten note on the back, at least one spool of wire. This is high quality parawire. It's the same stuff that we use in our tutorials. And the gauges that we send out typically range from 28 gauge to 16 gauge, and in a variety of the base metal colors that you'll see used in our tutorials. But sometimes we mix it up and throw in some colorful stuff, so it's different month to month. Oops. You'll receive one set of our, and the designs differ month to month as well on these guys, but you'll receive one set of our laser cut wood jewelry components that can be used for earrings or pendants or incorporation into polymer clay or even resin casting and electroforming. And then you will also receive at least 3 cabochons. And on our website, while all of our cabs are for sale in our shop, these guys here would typically sell for like $4, anywhere from 4 to 6 actually, for depending on the size and shape. And like this guy, we actually bake 3 times in our kiln to get that cool layered effect, so that's why that one sells more than these ones here. Then we also will include something like this shimmer cab here, which sells anywhere from $6 to $8 on our website. And then we'll also include some dichroic cabochons, which can sell from anywhere from 8 or 10 to 12, depending, again, very much on the size of the piece. So we try to give you, and we also cover the shipping. Now, this tier, I think I've mentioned before, is only available to United States addresses, but we do ship them internationally if you purchase it as a non-subscription purchase through our shop, but you are charged shipping there. So, but if you're one of our members and you have a United States address and you're in this tier, we cover the shipping to you as well.